I am a Filipina living in New Zealand. These are the things that surprises me and amazes me. Part 12. Char. Chardok ang filter pa. Bongga. Okay, we're gonna talk about work, mga manay. Okay? Any job position that requires paperwork or report, the company will provide you a device, whether it's a laptop or a tablet. Now, they will not allow you to use your own personal resources or incur expenses just to do that part of work. Amazing, right? Because back in the Philippines, like for instance, as a teacher, when I was a first year in teaching, I don't have laptop. And as a teacher, you need that. You can't do anything without a laptop. So what I did, I borrow Louis' notebook. Kay giprinda ra po to sa iya. So nagborrow ko. After a year, I joined DepEd. So, hilaso na kay tamang utang. So nakautang na ko kuan din ato laptop. But yeah, just a realization mga manay. It's so sad to think na kailangan pa nimo mangutang, no? Para makabuhat ka ng trabaho. Well, in fact, here in New Zealand, it is already provided. I hope Philippines will get better in things like this. Thank you. As a sweet girl, kumbate.